So ClickFunnels recently dropped their prices from $147 per month down to just $97 per month. But for many of us, that's still pretty expensive. But what if I told you that you could get ClickFunnels for only $33 per month for the first 3 months? Yes, I know it's not lifetime, but it's better than nothing. And if you want to save money, this is the way to go. So a few months ago, ClickFunnels launched the One Funnel Away Challenge. So this is a 10-day challenge where they teach you everything you need to know to launch your first online business so you can start earning money online. Now, I took this challenge back in 2020 during the pandemic, and I can honestly tell you the One Funnel Away Challenge changed my life. I've took dozens of courses and other challenges, but the One Funnel Away Challenge truly made me understand how to launch an online business, how to figure out what offers to sell, how to sell my offers, how to drive traffic to my offers so I can start making money online. Now, over the years, they've been improving upon this challenge. Now, back in 2020, I did pay $100 to join the challenge, and the pricing is the same today, okay? So the One Funnel Away Challenge is $100. It's just a one-time fee, and you'll get access to the challenge for a lifetime. But more importantly, you'll get access to ClickFunnels for a full 3 months. So that boils down to just $33 per month. So aside from the challenge material, the ClickFunnels software, you'll also get access to 2 versions of the One Funnel Away Challenge. The e-com edition, where you'll learn how to sell physical products, or the expert edition, where you'll learn how to sell your knowledge or your courses. And you'll also get access to live weekly calls with Trey and Russell. So you'll get 2 Zoom calls every single week where you can connect with others in the challenge and also ask any of your questions so you can get them answered from Russell directly or Trey. And you'll also get access to the Fill Your Funnel Challenge, which is a challenge that teaches you how to drive traffic to your sales funnels. So ever since 2020, I've been building out tons of sales funnels for my own business and also for my clients. And one of the most important funnels that everyone should start off with is the opt-in funnel. Now, an opt-in funnel is essentially a sales funnel that promotes a freebie that you can give to your audience in exchange for their first name and email address. Now, I built this opt-in funnel inside ClickFunnels, and I want to give this opt-in funnel for free to you. If you click the link in my description and fill out this form, I'll give you access to this free opt-in funnel. And I'll also send you over to the sign up page for the One Funnel Away Challenge, where you can sign up and join the challenge right away. And again, you'll get access to ClickFunnels for 3 full months. Now, my goal is to create 100 ClickFunnels templates for free for my audience. So if you sign up with this form, you'll be the first to receive all of those free ClickFunnels templates. Now you might be asking, okay, if I sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, what exactly is it? How does it look like? What's the material like? So this is the back end to the One Funnel Away Challenge, okay? So you have the expert track where Russell Brunson will teach you every single day for 10 days on mindset, how to figure out what offer you want to sell for your online business, how to create your offer, how to build your sales funnel inside ClickFunnels, and also how to sell your offer through a webinar and a VSL page. So all of these videos will teach you the basics of how to launch your first online business. And for the e-com track, this is where you'll learn how to sell physical products. So Trey Llewellyn will teach you for the e-com track. It is a 10-day challenge, and it's split by beginner and also an advanced track as well that you can graduate into after the beginner track. And I've been hearing a lot of great reviews of Trey's teaching style and all of the knowledge that he shares with the challenge participants. So again, you'll get full access to both e-com and expert tracks, and also access to the Fill Your Funnel challenge as well, where you'll learn over the next 3 weeks on how to drive traffic to your funnel. Now, if you want to save even more money, I'll include a link in the description to these 2 packages, okay? There's the standard upgrade and the funnel builder certification. So I actually purchased this one, the $19.97 per year plan, where you'll get 12 months of Clickfunnels and all of these really great bonuses. I highly recommend you go with the standard upgrade or the funnel builder certification upgrade to get the most bang for your buck. Now, with the funnel builder certification, you'll actually get certified to become an official funnel builder. So you'll get access to an additional advanced course where they will teach you everything you need to know on how to build a solid sales funnel. So if you want to save even more, click the link in my description to get either of these packages. Now you might be asking, okay, after the $33 per month, I'm going to be spending $97 per month, and that's still quite a lot. Now, to tell you the truth, I'm actually, even though I did pay the $19.97 per year, I'm really not paying for it because ClickFunnels has an amazing affiliate program. So if you have clients, what you can do is have your clients purchase ClickFunnels through your affiliate link. And when they purchase ClickFunnels through your link, you'll actually get 30% of what they paid. So as you could see, these are all of my recent commissions that I've received from people purchasing ClickFunnels through my link. So I received $59 here. In August, in July, I received another $59, $119 back in early June. So I'm getting all of this affiliate commissions, passive income that basically pays for my ClickFunnels software. So that's one hack on how to not pay for ClickFunnels is when you get ClickFunnels, you can introduce ClickFunnels to your clients and have them subscribe to ClickFunnels through your affiliate link. And if you get 2 or 3 signups, that will essentially pay for ClickFunnels. And it is okay to pay for software because if you are serious about running your own online business, you do need to spend some money, okay? So don't think of ClickFunnels as an expense. It truly is an investment because you need tools to grow your business, and many of the tools out there you need to pay for. But again, for the first 3 months, you can get it for just $33 per month if you sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge for just $100 per month. So hopefully you enjoyed this cool tip. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. And with that said, I will see you in the next one.